Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to today's essential guide, focusing on how to connect your Garmin S70 Golf watch to your iPhone, specifically for 2025. There's a particular, reliable method that truly ensures a smooth experience. Garmin devices offer incredible data, and getting your S70 paired correctly with your iPhone is absolutely key for tracking your game effectively. Let's dive into making that connection robust and ready for consistent performance. Before you even touch your Garmin S70, let's prepare your iPhone. You'll want to confirm that Bluetooth is definitely turned on, and it's a good idea to close out any unnecessary apps running in the background. Then, crucially, make sure you have the official Garmin Golf app installed, and it's updated to the very newest version available. Sometimes, a quick restart of your iPhone can also clear up any hidden issues, setting the stage for a perfect connection. Now, let's get your Garmin S70 ready for pairing. On the watch itself, go into the main settings menu and simply select the pair phone option. Then, switch back to your iPhone, open the Garmin Golf app, and look for the Add Device prompt. You'll then select your S70 from the list of available devices, confirm the pairing code that appears on both screens, and follow the final instructions to securely complete the connection. It's designed to be a straightforward process. Sometimes, connections can be a bit stubborn, but don't worry. If your devices aren't connecting, first try simply toggling Bluetooth off and then back on again on your iPhone. Also, double-check that your Garmin S70 has a good amount of battery life and confirm that its firmware is fully updated. If all else fails, you can always remove the S70 from the Garmin Golf app's device list and then simply try the entire pairing process again from the very beginning. Often, that's all it takes. To keep your Garmin S70 and iPhone connection consistently strong, a few habits are really helpful. Make sure you regularly update both the Garmin Golf app and your iPhone's operating system, as these updates often contain important connectivity improvements. Also, remember to keep your S70 well charged. A low battery can sometimes impact its ability to maintain a stable Bluetooth link. A solid, reliable connection means all your valuable golf data syncs effortlessly, always ready for you to analyze and improve your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.